Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure coming to you once again from my kitchen, and today I'll be sharing with you a really delicious breakfast recipe. This recipe is really easy to make. It's super yummy, it's buffet. You are absolutely gonna love it. And if you want to find out how to make the most delicious breakfast, find and subscribe to my channel, like and share this video so you don't miss out all my amazing content. And let's get straight into the video. Hey food lovers, so it's time to make our buttermilk. In goes my lemon juice, and I'll stir that in the milk and allow that stand for 5 minutes. So in goes our cornstarch, salt, some sugar, baking powder and soda, and we're just gonna mix that really well. And it's time to incorporate our butter with the flour, so we're just gonna rub it into the flour up until we have a breadcrumb size. And that's it. So we're just gonna incorporate our wet ingredients with the dry, and you're just gonna fold it in. So guys, I added cornstarch once again to the scones recipe because it's gonna give it that crunchy, beautiful exterior as well as being fluffy inside. So it's gonna be so much better than the regular hamburger bread bun. So that's it. And right now we're just gonna knead the dough for like a minute or so. We just want it to be less wet and easy to work with. So we just added in some flour, and we're just gonna form into a really smooth dough, and it becomes less sticky, and it's ready. So guys, the scone is actually I don't know how to describe it, guys. It's not a cake, it's definitely not bread, it doesn't have yeast, it's not fermented, but it's so good. I don't know how to describe it, guys. You definitely have to try this recipe. I love the texture, I love the crunchy exterior, and I love the fact that it has a bit of sweetness. It's not as sweet as your cake, and it's not as tart as the bread. So it's so good, guys. It's a perfect addition to your breakfast menu. You have to try this recipe. So right now we're just gonna cut in round circles, and that's it. So I just trying to mimic a bread bun, a hamburger bun, and that's why I cut it thinly, like flat. So if you want it taller, you can roll less than I did. So right now I'm gonna glaze the scone with some milk, so it's just gonna give it a beautiful, gorgeous color. You don't have to egg wash. We didn't use egg in the recipe, so milk will just do the magic. So right now here are the fruits and veggies that's gonna make up our platter. Oh yeah, we're making platters. It's so good, guys. You are absolutely gonna love it. So we have some berries, we have some lettuce, some cucumber, some grapes, seedless grape, and some cherry tomatoes. And for our protein, we have some turkey and some corned beef. So right now I'm just gonna dunk in my yogurt into the platter, and that's it. So that's a vanilla yogurt. I love vanilla, and I'll just arrange my berries all around the platter. It's absolutely gorgeous, guys. The berries for breakfast and the yogurt combination, it's a no-brainer, guys. You have to try this recipe. And right now our scones are out of the oven. They look so gorgeous. But right now we're just gonna prepare the platter. I have a 3-tier stand, so right now I'll just prepare my salad in the last tier. I love salad. This is a breakfast salad. You are absolutely gonna love it. So I was inspired to create this recipe from my experience in a luxurious hotel. Oh my goodness, I had so much fun staying there, and I said, why not recreate this so you guys can have as much luxury and fun as I did. I'm just gonna add some cucumber. I prepared this cucumber by taking the seed off with a spoon, like taking the middle off. It has a lot of water, and I love the beautiful appearance it gives the cucumber. And right now I'm just gonna add some cherry tomatoes. If you don't fancy tomatoes, you can leave it out. I love tomatoes. And some fresh berries. Oh my gosh, I never knew berries were good with salad up until I tried it. It's so good, guys. You are absolutely gonna love it. So add some fresh berries. It just gives it a pop of freshness and makes it breakfast ready. So right now I'm gonna add some raisins to the salad. This is my own take. I love the chewy and beautiful texture. It gives it a meaty texture and it adds a bit of sweetness. Absolutely gorgeous. You will love this. So I'm just gonna add in my scones to the second tier and it's pretty much ready. So it's time to build up our last tier. We're just going to build it up with some meat. So this is already prepared shavings of turkey and beef, corned beef. And right now we're just going to add in some cheddar cheese. I love cheese. Say cheese, guys. I had so much fun creating this recipe, guys, and my family loved it. They adored the experience of just having so much to eat. So it takes really little time to put all of this together. So right now we're just gonna add some granola. I love granola, guys. If you want to find out how to make a homemade granola, why not ask and I'll give. Oh yeah, it's all about demand and supply. So it's pretty much ready, guys. So it's time for eating. It's the tasting time. My most favorite part. You can see that the scone is so fluffy. It is not bread, it is not cake, it is in between. Absolutely gorgeous. So I just beat in my sandwich with some tomatoes, some meat, some cheese, and we're putting the bone on it, and it's pretty much ready. And I'll just add some fresh salad. I'm gonna dress the salad with some Italian dressing. I love this dressing, so good, guys. And I'm gonna give that sandwich a bite. Oh my gosh, it's so good, guys. Trust me, it's really good. It's not bread, it's not cake, it's in between. And the combo of the cheese, the meat, the lettuce and tomatoes goes really well. So right now I'm gonna give that salad a taste. Oh, I love the burst of freshness the berries just give. Oh, it's so good. It's just a perfect breakfast salad. So right now we're just gonna build layers of fruits and granola and some yogurt. Oh my goodness, you will love this. It's really good and healthy. Yeah, so it's really also easy to put together. So I'm just gonna layer once again yogurt, berries, granola, and it's ready. It's ready, guys. It's the taste time. You can as well serve it with some scones. And I'm just gonna go through the granola, some berries and yogurt, and voila! So good, guys. I love the fact that as you bite through, you get the crunchiness from the granola, the burst of freshness from the berries, and the chewy cranberries. So good, guys. I love the fact that you also get some crunch from the nuts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and let's become a family. Remember, Big Cucini is about easy. I make easy recipes customizable to your kitchen. I love you so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.